Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I actually tried recording this video before, but it got interrupted twice. So I couldn't actually publish them, they'd be trash. So you remember last video when Gadiella82, the beautiful person, sent me those really nice stuff. She went offline because I was looking over the recording and then she kinda got bored, I guess. Why? She sent me these 3 items, and then she sent me another gift. But since I already recorded it, I already opened it. And it said, I have a surprise for you. And I didn't know what it was, so I opened it. And I got this really adorable and cute masterpiece. Oh my god, it's so good. Like, I really like the style she made it. It's so cute, like these cute little nerd glasses and the bow. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, so it's art of me, Gadiella82, and Scout. And if you don't know who Scout is, this is Scout. This person is Scout. They make really cool videos, so you should check her out. Her channel is just called Scout, and if you can't find her, then just search up Scout Animal Jam. And then you should find her on YouTube. So I already put this one on trade. It is so good. Oh my gosh. I need to put it in my art gallery. It is so good. I don't even know which den is my art gallery. I have so many dens. Oops. Don't. Oh crap. I'm just like, oh god. Oh well. Actually I don't know which den is my art gallery. So we're just gonna have to leave it on my trade list. You know what, we're gonna put on my art in the Lost Ruins because honestly I don't know what to do with this den other than put my shrine stuff in here. Look at this beautiful art masterpiece. Oh my gosh. This was one of the first art pieces she ever made of me, and I was really happy that she made that for me. Okay, so let's get all the masterpieces, and we're gonna put them all in this den. This really cool den that I don't know why no one likes the underwater because it's such a cool place. Okay. Here are all the great art pieces. Oh my gosh. So, this den shall be like that, because we're gonna put all this beautiful art down here. Now, every single beautiful piece of art, like this beautiful piece of art by Gadiella82. I'll put all the pieces of art by Gadiella82 first, just because they're so cute and good, and I love them so much. Oh my god. So we're going to put that one there, and we're also going to put this one there because I love this masterpiece of the Great Tribe. It is actually really good. Oh my god. You have such good art skills. And this cute little masterpiece that she made randomly, it's pretty cute. I like it. Now we're going to put my weird art stuff in here. My weird burger thing that looks kawaii. Yep, we're gonna put that in there. Actually, no, I'll put my art last. Let's see here. So we have this beautiful. Oh, no, my buddy made this. My buddy made that. Are you my buddy? No, I don't know who these people are, but like, I have their art, so we're gonna put it in the art gallery. And then I have art of this phantom. It's cool. I like it. But it's all about Gadiella right now. This video is all about Gadiella. Mwah! Pure art. Yes. And then we're gonna put this one of Moon Wolf. She made that nice art for me. I like it. It's pretty cute. I like it. She made that a long time ago. And she was a member. I remember making this party hat. This party hat took really long to make. I thought it was gonna be easy, but alas, it was not easy. Oh wait, put other people's art before mine, because mine is the not very good art. What is this? What did I make? What did I make? Okay, anyway. I'm going to stop roasting myself now. Put this nice little burger in here. Put the burger over there. I'm gonna put some more art over here. This reindeer, his name is Bob the reindeer. Just to let you know. In case you wanted. Not crud. Apples crudder. I don't know. Putting all this beautiful art down. And then after we're going to be reviewing every single one of them. Because they're so good. Oh my gosh, I love them all. But again, it's all about Gabriella 82. Because she makes the greatest fan art ever. Oh my god. She is the almighty one here. And then I'm just the weird one. That's... yeah. Yep. That's my explanation for myself. Gonna put the toucan over there. And boom, we finished. Oh my gosh, look at all this great art. Oh my god, I got another jamagram. Glory, I am an octopus. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of you. So proud that you're an octopus. So proud. Now again, we must admire. Hallelujah. I'm gonna try and make this outfit. This looks like a fox. So I'm gonna see if I have that exact fox outfit. And I'm going to try and remake it. So we're going to get a fox. We're gonna find the fox. Come on, we can do it. I have a fox that needs changing somewhere. A fox that's in need of a good outfit. That's in here. Where are you? That outfit's too good. This outfit needs some changing. Oh crap. Applesauce. I'm gonna change that one into that beautiful piece of art that you made for me. Mwah. Beautiful. Okay, there we go. And then it was my red long collar that I'm proud of. So we got that. And then the bow. Also was gray, nice and gray. How nice. Where's the bow? There we go. Where's the bow? There we go. And then I also had a flower crown. Flower crown. Space bar. Okay, never mind. Flower power. Okay. There we go. I remade it. Oh my gosh, it's another jamagram. Glory, your den's locked. Cry. I know it was because I was making my den for the skit, which will soon. Hi. Oh, hello. You are invisible. Okay. One question. Okay, I'll answer your question after I see if I have mastered this. So then, oh, it's so cute. Why did you make it so cute? You're too cute for me. So then I have these nice. There we go. Now I have made it beautiful. My bird is sharp, bright helper. Then your bird is sharp, bright helper. Gasp. Gasp, that is crazy. Sorry, can't accept your buddy quest. I don't know who he is. They're both flamingos. Oh my god. She knows. She knows what I've done. I'm going to unlock my den now. So thank you again, Gabriella82, for the really good masterpieces. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And if I click it, okay, there we go. I'll see you in the next video.